Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Aid and Besha. Hope you all are doing great. Republic Day is round the corner, so let us talk about how to deliver a Republic Day speech. But before getting into it, do have your subscription and press the bell icon to get notified about all my channel uploads. So let's get started. Speech on Republic Day. So you will start the speech by wishing one and all present around, like good morning to the respected principal, ma'am or sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is so and so, studying in class so and so. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we all have gathered over here to celebrate 76th Republic Day of our nation. On 26 January 1950, our country got its constitution. We got our independence on 15th August 1947, but before 26 January 1950, we were following the law and rules set by the British. Since 26 January 1950, we have our own rules and law that are implemented to all the Indians. On this day in the national capital, a salute of 21 guns is given to the Indian national flag, and the national anthem is sung. A huge parade by the Indian Armed Forces is held in the front of the President of India and chief guest. School students also participate in the parade to show their creativity in the form of dance and songs. It also includes state-wise jhanki on the Rajpath to display the unity in diversity. Since we got independence from the British rule in 1947, our country has developed a lot and is counted among the popular countries. Together with some developments and some drawbacks have also arisen such as inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in the society to make our country the best country of the world. Hope you all have liked the video. Put a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.